Winning a lottery is based on chance, and there is no guaranteed method to predict or control the outcome. Lotteries are designed to be random, and the numbers drawn are typically independent of each other. However, here are a few tips that may slightly increase your chances or make your lottery experience more enjoyable. Play regularly. The more tickets you buy or the more frequently you play, the higher your chances of winning. However, remember to play within your means and set a budget for lottery tickets that you can afford. Join a lottery pool. Consider joining or creating a lottery pool with friends, family, or colleagues. By pooling your money, you can buy more tickets and increase your chances collectively. If any of the tickets win, the prize is divided among the members of the pool. Choose less popular games or drawings. Some lotteries have smaller prize pools but also lower odds of winning. Look for less popular games or drawings as they may have fewer participants and slightly better odds. Pick your own numbers. Instead of relying on random numbers generated by the lottery system, choose your own numbers. While this won't increase your statistical odds, it adds a personal touch to your ticket and makes the experience more exciting. Consider using a random number generator. If you prefer random numbers but don't want to rely on the lottery system's generator, you can use online random number generators or random number apps to select your numbers. This method ensures the numbers are not influenced by any biases or patterns. Double-check your numbers. It's important to double-check your ticket before the drawing to ensure you have the correct numbers. Many lottery prizes go unclaimed simply because players don't check their tickets or misread the winning numbers. Play for fun, not as an investment. Lotteries should be seen as a form of entertainment, and the money you spend on tickets should be considered a non-refundable expense. Avoid spending more money than you can afford to lose, as the odds of winning a lottery jackpot are usually extremely low. Remember, winning a lottery is highly improbable, and it's crucial to maintain realistic expectations. Enjoy the excitement of playing responsibly, but don't rely on winning a lottery as a financial strategy.